Coming up next, the presentation of the Mythical 10 and the Rookie of the
Lords. At kanina binati natin ang ating mga kaibigan. Darating tayo sa tinatawag nating Dream Team ng 1993 PBA season.
These, of course, will be the members of the PBA Mythical Selection. Our very own version of the Dream Team is composed of 6 center or forwards and 4 guards who have garnered the most points based on votes from the 2 groups. Media, composed of print, radio, and TV, and the players and coaches, each accounting for 1/3 of the total value. The other third will come from statistical points.
At bago po tayo pumunta sa baba upang i-announce ang ating Mythical 10, meron tayong kaunting regalo din naman doon sa mga nagpakahirap kanina na nasusunog sa
Cash and cakes. I now have the distinct privilege of introducing to you the members of the PBA Mythical Team. I'd like to bring in first our presenters, Santa Lucia Team Manager and Alternate Governor, Mr. Buddy Encarnado, Mr. Elmer Yanga of SWIFT, Ms. Nanette Medved to join us here, please. We will be announcing the winners of the Mythical 10 in no particular order. First, we have Jerry Codinera of Pure Foods. We hope you can stay there, Jerry. Also from Pure Foods, Alvin Patrimonio. Congratulations, Alvin. From SWIFT, Nelson Asaytono. Now from SWIFT, Al Solis. From San Miguel Beer, Ato Agustin. From Santa Lucia, June Limpot. And now from SWIFT, Vergel Meneses. From San Miguel Beer, Alan Kaidek. And now, from San Miguel Beer, the Skywalker, Sandberg. We need one more. We need an enforcer. RoboCop from San Miguel Beer, Alvin Tang. Ladies and gentlemen, your mythical team, dream team of the PBA for 1993. Thank you very much to our presenters, Mr. Yanga, Mr. Carnado, and of course, Nanette Medved. Gentlemen, can you move in closer? Another round of applause, please, for your dream team. Let's send it back upstairs to Chino and Mylene.
Alright, Chef, nakilala po ninyo ang 10 sa pinakamahusay o pinakamahusay na nga ng mga basketball players dito sa Pilipinas at malay natin baka rin sa buong Asia. Ngayon po pupunta tayo sa isa pa rin ng major award na pamimigay. Napaka-special po ng award na to dahil ang award na to
Sportsmanship Award.